Are you tired of drowning in endless spreadsheets, manual compliance checks, and constant regulatory drama? What if you could automate all of your audit, risk, and compliance workflows in one place? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at Optro, formerly known as Audit Board, an AI-powered GRC platform that is transforming how modern enterprises manage risk in 2026. Trusted by over 50% of the Fortune 500, Optro is designed by practitioners for practitioners to help you move at the speed of risk. So, how does it actually work? Optro acts as a unified system of action. Instead of keeping your audit, risk, infosec, and compliance teams in separate silos, Optro connects them. With its AI-powered features, you get real-time insights and autonomous testing. This means you can run risk-based audits, keep a close eye on your cybersecurity threat landscape, and automate your security readiness. They even offer an AI governance solution, so your company can adopt new AI tools safely with built-in guardrails. According to their data, organizations using the platform have seen massive efficiency gains, including saving over 1,400 hours annually, reducing redundant controls by 64%, and speeding up risk assessments by over 30%. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. On the plus side, Optro is highly recognized as an industry leader, earning top spots in the 2026 Forrester Wave and the Gartner Magic Quadrant. It's incredibly robust and built for scale. However, because our direct user review data is limited today, we can't give you a breakdown of everyday user complaints or minor bugs. Because of this, we highly recommend scheduling a personalized demo on their website to see how it handles your specific company setup. To get started, simply head over to optro.ai. From there, you can explore their resources, download their automated security checklists, or click Schedule a Demo to get a tailored walkthrough of the platform. If you want to stop reacting to risks and start anticipating them, go check out optro.ai today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more workflow automation tutorials, and let us know in the comments how your team currently handles compliance.